Alright guys, so just a quick one. Now a client asked me to design order of service, kind of a funeral book that will be sharing under the program. And then this is the gentleman that left a condolence to the family. But then there's an error I am facing, and I believe most graphic designers or upcoming graphic designers face this error. I use WhatsApp a lot. And so most of my clients, we work on WhatsApp, and then I just jump straight into Photoshop. Now I downloaded this particular image that I want to use, and when I drag it into Photoshop, this is the error that I get. Could not place WhatsApp image the time. Okay, maybe that's not the time. Yeah, that's the time at. So you consider the time the guy sent it to me, because SOFn or Dqt or blah 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 marker is missing before a JPEG SOS marker. Now this happens when you are bringing images from WhatsApp to Photoshop a lot. It happens a lot. There are many ways of doing this, but graphic designers, we like to work with time, because time is money. The more clients you work with, the more money you get. And so what we do is that just make it as quick as possible. We go here. Now when you drag it again, we're going to have the same problem. Even all the images, sometimes it happens, sometimes they don't. And so I don't know why it happens like that. I can't give you a logical explanation for that. All of them except this one. I think this one works. So you see, I don't know why. But then to work on it, what you have to do is just let me put it there again so I see it's working. So you see it's not working again. Right click it, go to open with, and then go to paint over here. Click on it. It's going to open it in paint for you. Just click on Ctrl S to save it, close it, and then drag it back into Photoshop. Once you release it, it's going to pick it up. And so it's a very easy way if you like to work with bring your images straight from WhatsApp to Photoshop. These are some of the problems you'll be facing. This is how to correct it. Okay, so I just wanted to drop it here, and then create clipping mask over here, and then maybe resize. And so guys, I am going to show you how I this is a book, or should I say a little notebook or something like that. But then I'm going to show you how to create it very soon. I'm going to make a tutorial on it very soon, so just be expected of it. I love you all guys. See you in the next video. Peace.